yes, unnecessary.
Burden.
You understand me?
Mm.
That solved the problem.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
He
Mm.
still believes from that small this thing that she has known how much house rent is. This. Some of them will not believe you.
They don't.
You understand what
They
I'm
don't.
saying?
Mm.
Because they will still ask. So it's not always.
I think
It's God.
I think
I
I
would just
get
say it's
you.
God
I think I get
and
you.
understanding. Also, too, there are women like that too. Women. I'm not just saying it for the men's
For
side.
men,
There are women too.
of course.
There are
That
some.
mm,
There are some exceptional women that you meet
mm.
that will do the same thing for their men, and the man will not appreciate it.
That is true.
You
That is
understand
true.
what? Yes,
Mm,
there are some exceptional women
mm,
that you will meet
mm. If I tell
that
you
will
a quick story about
that do the same thing.
about
But some
okay.
men too, you see, some men too will not appreciate it. But to me, maybe because I'm a man, I believe the burden of most of all these things fall more on the man.
Mm,
All you need is a good woman.
good
Mhm.
woman.
And
Good man.
one thing is this. I don't know. The modern girl and our look, you see what makes like sometimes I sit down, I look at my father and I look at my mother.
Mm, mm,
You
mm,
understand? I'll be asking myself, was it that my father was such a nice man?
mm.
Or that my father was without fault? That two of them are still together. They still eat together, they still sleep in the same bed together. Even at this, they are in their 80s.
Mm, mm.
You understand? I ask myself, but in everything I go to realize that our mothers are the ones that made the home.
Yes, yes,
It,
yes.
it was not because our fathers were too good. Our fathers did not chase women or do you understand?
Mm,
You understand?
yes,
You
yes.
see, you see, this our world is getting so modernized, and we
Mm.
are copying a lot of lousy things, all in the name
God bless you.
what
Celebrity.
civilization. Yes, all in the name of civilization.
Civilization, yes.
Yes, you find out that our mothers, once they are married to their husband,
They stay put.
irrespective, you see, they don't come to find fault.
Mm,
They don't come
mm,
to look at that
mm,
my husband is cheating on me, I will cheat on my husband.
mm,
You
mm,
understand what I'm saying? As
mm,
long as the man is doing what he's supposed to do as a man, he
mm,
comes home,
mm, mm,
he gives you, he provides. You understand me?
mm, mm,
Yours is now to run the home.
mm,
But you
mm,
find that in the modern world, the woman is looking at the man. If the man drives a car, the woman wants to drive a car.
mm.
If the man wear trouser, the woman wants to wear a trouser. You
Yeah.
understand what I'm saying?
Opposite is the
If the
case
man,
now. Mm,
you are compete, you say that you are look. I'm not saying it is wrong competing with your husband
mm,
or working to
mm,
help the husband. It's good. It's supposed to be, but there's what I call negative competition.
mm.
You are competing for the wrong things.
Wrong thing, wrong doing.
Look at they've done the competition to the extent self. They don't even know their job as mothers anymore. Look at the children. They abandon the children.
Mm, mm,
Nobody is saying you shouldn't work. Like me, I don't say a woman should not work.
mm.
You know, what I believe is this: once you decide to be a woman and you decide to be a mother, hmm,
Mm.
create time for your purpose.
Yes.
God is not stupid that made a man and made
Sh-
a woman.
sure, definitely.
There was never a time God said that we are equal or we should be equal.
Absolutely.
You understand me? I think, to the best, to my knowledge of the Bible, there was never a time God created a woman different from a man.
Mm,
And I believe God gave them different function.
mm,
You understand me? Yes, let's say modernization has brought in certain things. Maybe to meet up and all these things. Sometimes women have to assist the man.
mm,
But even in the olden days, women have always assisted the man now.
mm,
You see, the world is evolving. We should know how to assist ourselves. But
mm.
that does not mean that we should forget our various responsibilities.
Absolutely.
And that is what is happening in this modern world. Women forgetting their responsibility.
Yes.
And one of the major responsibility is what? Taking care of the
Of
children.
home. The
Yes,
entire home.
not yes, not even the children, the home. And
Mm.
that home comprises of the children, your husband. You
Everybody.
understand?
Mm.
And that was what our mothers were good at.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Understand? They were not looking at their husband's perfection.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
And they were not looking at this man as a perfect man.
Mm.
He must do this, he must not do this. Yes, they do argue. Do you know? You see, they agree to disagree.
Yes.
You understand?
Mm.
And that is why you find out that the marriage, they were able to stay as
Mm.
husband and
And
wife.
wife.
But like now, they are not even ready to stay.
Some people will tell
You
you for better for stay, for worse for go.
you just see, you start wondering because even sometimes I'll be asking myself, do you know that as I was growing, I don't even know when my father and mother will quarrel. Even if
Mm.
I know you don't even know when they settle. You will not hear them shout the way we shout. So you understand me?
Mm.
Maybe you just see my father angry, you say it's not eating. You understand?
Mm.
You as a growing man would know that something is wrong between papa and
Mama.
you understand? You just sense it because when they will settle again, you will not even know when they discussed and settle.
It,
You
go,
understand?
it go
You
just
get
be like
that
film where their heart, where
film,
they
everything will just be like film critic. You just but I thought these two people were. You understand what I'm saying?
I think I bet let me give them for something for that. That's to all our parents. That's to all our, I
You
give
know,
them credit for that. Mm.
it will just be like film critic. You say, but I thought these two people were. You understand?
Mm.
You yourself go forget them. You
Mm.
understand?
Mm.
Unlike our own. Oh, you know that point, they will go carry pastor, come, go carry this one, come, go carry that one, come, go carry. Okay, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
So sometimes you ask yourself, with the civilization we are saying we are civilizing, is the world getting being a better place to live?
Mm.
No. Okay, imagine we have churches almost even in the same street. You will see churches facing each other. Yeah, no. But look at in the time that we have less church, the
Mm.
world was more peaceful.
Yes.
People at least we grow up to hear that when you go to the farm,
Mm.
like when their fathers are telling us stories, they will tell us in those days when they go to the farm, they will harvest those things and put it in the junction.
Mm.
Hmm?
Mm. Mm.
Go home and tell people to come and carry it.
Mm. Mm.
We used to hear that in those days they don't lock their doors.
Yes, 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 they
Abi?
don't. Yes, they don't. Mm.
Uh-huh. When you tell because when you get to the junction, somebody will you just tell person you will go there and see the thing and pick it
And
and
pick
carry
it.
it.
No other person will carry
And
it.
tell,
Mm.
somebody will tell you, okay, when we were growing up, do they lock church?
At
They don't
all.
lock church.
Lock church for
You
what?
walk into the church. Sometimes I had I used to hear that even when you are traveling and you arrive a place late,
You can go to
you
mosque
always
or
ask that
church. Mm.
you just go, you can if you know the nearest church close to
Mm.
you,
Mm. Go
go
and
there
sleep
and
there.
you can even sleep there so that the following morning you find your way.
Mm.
Can go to church and all of them are locked. By this time they don't lock everywhere.
Now hotel you go lock oh, if you don't get money for hotel.
Uh, I'll give you even an example. So like me, I'm a Catholic. Do you know that if you leave the Catholic church them open, you know that Jesus Christ, the crucifix, that one that used to say, then
Yes.
go thief am.
People know
Even
they fear
carry the
people know they fear Jesus again with that too.
then go carry am. Even the clock, that clock wey dey dey for front of wall, you go see church, dem go put burglary proof to hold am.
They want teachers to come to their house to be living
Uh,
with them.
uh,
They will
dem
go
go
sell am oh. No be say they go carry am go home. They will go sell am.
straight now. Even the speakers wey dey for church, dem go take burglary proof hold dem.
Mm. Mm.
Church clock, dem go take burglary to tell you. You go dey ask yourself, who is this civilization making things better for us or making things moral? That is the moral aspect o.
Mm,
I'm
mm.
not saying the world of technology. Maybe in the course of technology, things are getting better for us and easier. You
Yes.
understand me?
Yes.
But moral,
We are losing it. We are losing it.
we
Yes.
have lost it.
Mm,
Morally, you understand? Morally,
mm.
because why can somebody look for everywhere to go and steal again inside the church? The other day I was watching a video, yeah,
Mm.
of they talk. You know, they hear say that they put CCTV now inside church
Ah, ah.
to know who thief and
So
who not
so
thief.
now people no dey fear Jesus again because no matter where you where you are, Jesus dey see you. Abi?
Yes,
So
now
people no dey
you
fear again
so
now. Mm.
so you find that if people can come to the church
To steal.
or the mosque to come and steal,